Right down here is the hospital. We just plain big hospital, government hospital. Then you get the mentally ill hospital also there, rehabilitation. Psychiatric hospital where they put criminals in. So they try to make them shelved it. To make a shelved it is a very big, you know, crime that some survive, some won't survive. There's a reason behind that crime. Crime is like a rhyme. What they're trying to say, like a riddle. A riddle, who did it and why not? And what's the purpose? If they can see the purpose is they do it in ambush, you understand? But it's not your fault, and they probably send that person back home, back in society. Because they want to make them own shelf dead there, the mental institute. If they don't, then they go come back home. There's also my moral offerings. There's a rehabilitation. Mitchell's plain lentig rehabilitation. There is a nice yellow car there. I'll show you. There, can you see there, that yellow car there? There's more cars coming behind it. Down here's the mentally ill hospital.